I suppose after the first year was when I first started thinking about doing a book.
Hi, your target.
What I wanted to try to kind of bring home to people when they're cooking is to have the confidence to go back to the forgotten skills. Before we had refrigeration, before we had freezers, was when we had produce at the best of its time and when it was ready and ripe. How do we keep it for months later when we had nothing? I found right from the beginning that it was so important to capture the ingredients, even more so than the dishes themselves.
These are beautiful. I mean, we could do a tight shot of that as well.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe definitely a tight shot of the mackerel because they're stunning. There is going to be very precise recipes, but a lot of it's done in like percentages. You know, it's not like use 3 kilo or 3 heads of this with 2 grams of that. It's like it's teaching people how to be accurate, but also to kind of learn how to season properly. You know, like things should have like 2% of salt or 1.5% of salt depending on the product, and it's kind of showing people how to utilize every part of every ingredient as well. I didn't want some guy, some sort of salesperson coming to me saying, I can get you Pakistani, mangoes or this or that. You know, I don't want to use any of that. I want to use only what's available right now in this climate. That's a big focus of the book as well. I want to try and teach people how at home to achieve this because it really isn't difficult.